First of all, when we go to building a category, we rely very deeply into our existing infrastructure on a large set of tools that were built in the past. This process takes literally years. And now when we arrive to building a category, we can just tip into this stuff we have and start advancing from there. The first thing we would do is to clearly define the category. It might be with a client, it might be with our business development team. And this process is not as simple as it might sound, because it's easy to say a word or two words that will describe a category, like books, for instance. Does the category include book reviews? Book reviews are only written books. Does it cover writers or not? So this element of the process is very important, because otherwise, when you get to testing the category, every article would fall in, and you won't get exactly what you thought you would get, or your clients wouldn't get what exactly they thought they will. So we invest in effort, and we have a specific methodology for this step in the process. Then, after we have a clear definition of the category, which has to be actionable by a prospective buyer of this specific category, we proceed to deciding which of our tools would be best used to build the category. As I previously said, we have a rich toolbox of things that we can do, either from the machine learning area, from the natural language processing area, or based on interactions with other categories, and we have to choose where to start. The next step would be basically to start collecting data to train the system. It might be positive and negative examples, and in the same while we start collecting data to test the newly found category. This process is easy to do in the wrong way. For instance, we have seen cases in which someone collects data for building a category, positive and negative examples, and then the same person collects data to test the category, a recall data. And then when the category is tested, the results are naturally very good, because every aspect that this person was thinking about when collecting the data to build the category is reflected also in the test data. In our